All right, everyone, welcome back to the Theta Communications YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over some new clients for the Theta Edge Cloud, as well as some broad topics relating to the core tenets of the Theta ecosystem. All right, first and foremost, of course, let us thank our Theta stakers as well as our Tfuel stakers over on ThetaCommunications.com. You all make this possible. We still have some space available over on Tfuel staking, so please go help support us over there with your Tfuel. Greatly appreciate it. As well as make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below to boost Theta-related content in the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's dive in. Let's head on over to Twitter. And if we go over here, we will see an announcement with the Edge Cloud and Beijing University or Peking University. And this is a big step forward as we move into new clientele, more universities, more academia clientele, as well as private clientele, This is going to be the base layer of them accessing and utilizing the tooling that Theta has set up. And I think creating this template is what really sets the stage for new developers, new users, and it's that missing piece that we've had for many years, which is how do we take developers from Ethereum? And in some cases with AI, we don't have to take developers from Ethereum. We can take new developers that are coming through the university system and are building and will get their first taste of AI potentially, or one of their first taste, through Theta Edge Cloud. So great to see that. Great to see that proceeding forward. Look forward to more in the future. And tonight we're going to talk about some base layer stuff that I've been thinking about as we push forward. One being is that we're entering an era where coding is changing, programming is changing, and why is AI so significant? It's because the theory is that English will be the new programming or coding language of the future, where you can take English words spoken to a prompt and then it generates an outcome or something that you want to see. So by having that, you've taken away a lot of the skill set or the knowledge base that would be required in previous chapters of history to create an application, to push something forward. Now, with AI, we can pull from pieces of code and bring them in. And even now, most developers are looking and searching for code instead of writing it from scratch. This is a huge progression forward, and I think it's going to really be the thing that accelerates the exponential age, but also accelerates the need for compute power, right? Because if everyone's just plugging in things and developing websites with written word and developing applications, developing videos, right? The example I usually give with Netflix is there's a lot of templates that have been made through video content over the past 50 years or so. So you have animated content, let's say Scooby-Doo, for example. You have so much there as a template base, and it's like, hey, make an episode for me with this kind of ghost, this kind of the characters, this kind of features, and we will be able to produce that. That future is headed to us very quickly, and I think we're all very unprepared for just the amount that is necessary in compute terms for that future. And I think Netflix is a great example here, where we saw the Tyson-Jake Paul fight, and the streaming quality and the buffering was horrible for many users. Now, some cases maybe that's on the user's end, but across the board, we have a solution here with Theta. The original intent of Theta was to help offload live streaming content. So I think with a situation like this brings about that next discussion again of going to Netflix and saying, hey, we have a solution here. It can also reward your users. We also have a new administration for crypto and in the US. So now we can start talking about transitioning from these ad-based models or at least testing out a token-based model within the Netflix platform, right? Where these smart TVs users can potentially share and distribute all of this new live content, right? So even still, we have the WWE, which is going to be doing live content on Netflix. So going to them and pitching that is going to be essential. I look towards Mitch and team to be making those discussions happen, especially because if they want to do more live content, if they want to do NFL, they want to do any of these things and compete on that grand stage, they're going to have to put some underlying system in place to handle high traffic times. So hopefully the team can put that all together. We know that there's been some previous Netflix kind of discussion underlying with certain actors, actresses, but we'll see if they can take it that next step. That's what we're looking for. And, the amount of compute power that we have underlying both through this and Aether is immense. And it's very exciting to see how far and how fast they can grow things across the globe. All right, everyone. I hope you have found this video useful. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. And of course, I will see you at ThetaCon 2024 and Tfuel Island. Take care. Bye-bye.